Going on YouTube? We are back. We are back with another Sunday breakdown. It is July 11th. On this lovely Sunday, we're looking at GBPJPY. Previously, Friday, that was had a real nice clean move, like 130 pip move from GJ to the upside. To the upside. Um, on the hourly time frames. But hold on, let me adjust the mic a little bit. Test, test, test. All right, yeah. So we're gonna do the monthly breakdown and the weekly breakdown and see what we're looking for, or what we're gonna put where potentially we are as far as market structure for the week and where we're gonna be anticipating setups for tonight, tomorrow night, Wednesday, Thursday, and we don't trade on Fridays for real, but and we don't trade on Sundays for real. But basically setting up our charts for the week. So we're gonna start on the monthly. Look seems though as price. I want to hide this. Seems as though price is near or yeah respected this level of resistance on a monthly standpoint, and usually every on a monthly time frames of resistance and supply and demand zones. I'm gonna highlight that pink to distinguish that that is a monthly level. I like to color coordinate things. Come on, 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 give me something. All right, so pink, there we go, boom, pink. Right, so price struggled to break past this previous high, excuse me, high over here to go ahead and continue on to the upside. So if we go down even further, let's mark some other zones. Uh, could name this monthly resistance. Boom, and we're gonna go down to the weekly and see what we're up against. So weekly, we have weekly levels of support right here. Strong weekly level of support. Basically, right there. And it's important to always know where you are in market structure so you can make good decisions when it comes to trading, and you getting the full picture of what's going on. Usually in a weekly, I like to color coordinate that gray or silver or whatever, gray, and label it weekly support. And another important key level, which would be right here on the weekly. Weekly support. And we're gonna work our way down to the daily, see where we are as far as market structure goes on GBPJPY. Yeah, so within this area, I want to say the first thing I'm looking at is like it just looks like a big retracement, right? So we're gonna take our fib. I'm gonna draw from this weekly level of resistance to the top of this level, and to measure price. Price is pullback, and we are in the 5618 zone when it comes to that. Close bullish. So we're expecting like a little pullback and continuation onto these highs. There's nothing that I could see to mark on the daily. as far as like zones, maybe this high right here, right? And this high, but that's pretty much it. Key levels. And for the daily, I like to mark that red. But it's not showing up on this gray background, so or I could up the transparency some. There we go. Yeah. Just getting our charts ready for this week. Red. What in the world? Look like somebody is sending me a chart right now. I guess they sending a weekly analysis. So I set up that they potentially seeing right now. So yeah, daily resistance and daily resistance level. So we're gonna work our way down to the 4-hour and see where we are as far as market structure. Yeah, this was an insane move off of this level, this support level right here. Once this candle turned bullish right here, that pattern alone was enough to take an entry right here after price melted from this resistance level. It could have got in right there. This was a beautiful move. When was this? The 21st, July 21st, going all the way 183 pips. Beautiful move. We're gonna catch another move like that soon, whether it's a break in resistance and new support or price just come back. And that'd be great if price just melts this week again and gets back down to this weekly support level and we create a double top, ride that thing straight back to the top. So let's see, on a 4-hour, look like we're testing this level of resistance, this little bit of this rejection right here when price fell. Look like it's trying to basically making a double top right there. And now right here, let's see how price reacts at this level throughout the day. And maybe could get a short off of this position with a small stop loss, like 25 pips, and basically like 175 pip, short. Could possibly do that. Or if you look at it from this perspective, you draw your fib longs, price coming back into this 5618 zone off the support. That's, you could most probably bet off probability that it would reach this 50, so 110 pips off of this short if price continues to respect this level of resistance. And once it comes back down, we'll be looking for price to settle at support off of this 50, 618 or 764 and take buys. Take buys at this level of support where we can set a stop loss right underneath. Say if price was to come down here, like right underneath all of this market structure, whatever. And some people might say like, oh, this is God damn, that's a 75 pip stop loss. Oh my, oh, I'd never do that. Well, first of all, it doesn't matter what your stop loss is. It could be 100, it could be 90 pips when you look at it, and you trade percentage base, you risk percentage base, so your position size, it doesn't matter. You know, I use babypips.com, the position size calculator right here. And it doesn't matter what your account size is. I mean, it doesn't matter what your stop loss is, and as far as pips go, because like if you have a $10,000 account and you're risking 1% all day consistently, and that 75 pip stop loss, it's still going to be 1%. Understand what I'm saying? So that's what we're looking at. Let's say like boom. So this is what our lot size would be. Basically 0.13. And we stay as far as we use proper risk management and trade percentage base versus any random lot size. So that's the beauty of it. And making sure that our risk is greater than our reward is the 2.8 to 1 ratio when it comes to risk versus reward. So I always want to keep our reward level, risk to reward level 1 to 1 or 2 to 1, or 3 to 1. Doesn't matter, but as long as it's greater than your risk, you should be fine. Or you will be fine as far as risk management goes. So pretty much that's what I'm looking at this week is for price to, right now to just break past this level of support and find a new level of support, or short down right here in this 56-1A zone, and also find buys in this position too. Like I said, it always depends on how price is respecting these key levels. And another thing I like to do is actually plot out some quarter points. So where are we? What quarter point would this be? The 250 quarter QP. So let's see. Boom. 250. Oh wow, right down to the T. Y'all see that, huh? Do y'all see how beautiful that is? Let's go down to the 1 hour. See how detailed that is. Oh my God. Look down to the T, rejecting that quarter point. Now, let's also see where we at as far as other quarter points go. So the last quarter point would be 15300. So yeah, the only problem is that we had a resistance level, so we can't even really tell what's gonna happen right here. If price is gonna continue to go up or down, but based off of this price action from this fib, um, right here to right here, it's just not a quality setup. You want to be, if you're going long, you want to, I don't know, like you just want to be, you shouldn't be buying at resistance levels. Major resistance. This is a daily level of resistance. It's most probable that price will respect this level and continue back down until proven otherwise. So price has settled right here with this price action in this 50 and 618784 zone. And you tell me, based off of this price action, would you enter on a long position for 23 pips and potentially lose 15 pips, or even greater if you want to measure all the way up here? 36 pips. Is it worth it? You know what I'm saying? It's all up to you. But I personally would like to have patience and see how things play out for a better on a bigger time frame, a better, what I'm saying? I'd rather wait for price to play itself out. and see how it reacts to these levels without making guesses before. You know, that's a problem that traders have, is that they try to make decisions too early instead of waiting for the market to test these key levels and knowing where they are in market structure. But like I said, if a regular person doesn't know where they are in market structure, they can't even make these decisions. They don't see the bigger picture. We started all the way on the monthly time frame, and we all know that the bigger the time frame, the greater the detail. You know, the bigger time frames dictate the smaller time frames. So, you know, when you look at it from the daily back down to the weekly, I mean the monthly down to the weekly and then down to the daily, you know, you want to wait basically and see what happens. So that's the monthly this is the weekly breakdown for GBPJPY. So for July 11th going all the way to July, bring up this calendar to the 15th, 16th. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of dragged out a little bit. My computer's lagging a little bit. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and it's very informational, and we will check back and I will break down trades that I do take throughout the week. And if you want to take the same trades that I take throughout the week, join the Telegram chat down below. Well, I'll be calling every trade that I do take out before I take it in the Telegram. So I will be providing signals and chart analysis throughout the day, and keeping everybody informed. So yeah, man, if you like this video, like, subscribe, and also, like I said, join the Telegram chat, tap in, and yeah, man, let's work on having a successful trading week by just, like I said, knowing where we at in market structure, and making decisions patiently off of confirmations, multiple confluences, and key levels. So yeah, thanks, and see y'all again next time for another video. Most likely we'll be uploading every day this week, so y'all stay tuned and look forward to that. Peace.